friends, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I have another Mrs. Meyers cleaning schedule. We're going to do day Tuesday, ironing and mending. I'm also going to go ahead and add Wednesdays to this video just because I don't iron and I only have one thing to mend. So I'm going to add the Wednesdays cleaning schedule, and that is the bedrooms and home office. So I'm going to be sharing that with you. Here is a close-up. I don't know if you guys could see that, what she has. And if you guys had watched my other video and leave me a comment, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. And thank you guys for sharing what your guys' favorite Mrs. Meyers products are. And once again, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a like, leave me a comment below, and let me know what you guys are planning to be for Halloween this year. We are having a trunk or treat for the military, for the kids. So I think me and Ryder are gonna dress up as Jack and Sally, and then my husband is going to dress up as something else, and then my other two kids, they haven't really figured it out what they're going to be. But leave a comment below letting me know what you guys are going to do for Halloween. Or okay, here is the purse that I had bought over the weekend. I got this for $3. It was originally $6. But it has a rip right here. I don't know if you guys could see this, but it's a tiny rip. I don't know if you guys could see that. Right here is a rip, so I'm gonna be sewing that up. I thought this purse was so cute. I really like the handles on this. Hopefully you guys could see like the swirl. There you go. There is the swirl. I really like the handles. That's what caught my eye. And the little like decoration on this bag is so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew this up. So here is my sew job. At least I closed the hole up. Not a perfect job, but it still works. So here is my new purse. One of the things I thought I could do today is, because it's ironing and mending day, I thought about I could drop off some things at the dry cleaners. I have a vintage jacket that I have bought in over the weekend that I need to go get cleaned, and then I think a sweater, and then my husband has a couple of his dress suits things that he wears for church that I need to go and drop off also. So I might do that today. Okay, on Wednesdays you're supposed to be cleaning your bedrooms, so don't forget to change your sheets. Don't forget to clean under your bed, and we're going to be doing dusting and cleaning the windows and stuff like that. Don't forget to clean the window sills. I've already had changed my bed yesterday, so I don't have to do that because yesterday was Monday and it was laundry day, and I don't have to do that because I already did it. And then I also went ahead and cleaned my windows, but I did not clean the window seals, so I'm going to be wiping those down today also. And then I have a couple areas that need to be tidied up in my room. And then I'm going to sweep, actually vacuum the floor. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with dusting. I wanted to explain why I use a wet washcloth instead of the cleaning products like the Pledge and wood cleaners. I kind of feel like the wood cleaners sometimes leave like an oily on your surface, and I kind of noticed that I was dusting more often, and I had to dust like almost every other day because it got so bad. Give me 1 second. Sorry. So with me using a wet washcloth, I felt like it was a lot easier for me to pick it up, and then it wasn't extracting the dust as much, and I will be able to go more than a few days without dusting. For some reason, our bedroom is so dusty all the time. I don't know why, but it is. I can't handle the dust. But I hate dusting. I hate cleaning. I don't know. I feel like I always say I hate cleaning, or I hate this and I hate that. But there's some little things that I like cleaning, and then there's some things I don't like cleaning. And dusting was one of the things I always never really cared about, even when I was a kid. I didn't really care about doing it, but I kind of like always cleaning the kitchen. That was always one of my favorite things to do. And I know when I was a kid, that was one of my biggest chores that I had to do when I was a kid. But anyways, dusting sucks, and I just feel like you can never get every single dust. But anyways, this is why I like to use a wet washcloth, and you know what, it's actually cheaper and everything. So this is why I'm using my wet washcloth. Let me show you guys what I had found the other day. I am so excited. I need new glasses, and I've been looking for some vintage glasses for a very long time, and I found some very cute ones. Let me show you. But I gotta get them to my subscription. So, ain't those so cute, guys? Oh my goodness. I love them. I can't believe I found them. So they're super cute. I love them. Anyways, this is one of the little things I found, and I only paid $6 for them. I've been looking on Etsy for a long time for a pair. I'm always afraid to buy. I'm always afraid to buy on Etsy because I never bought anything, to be honest. My sister's bought a couple things, but I'm afraid to buy anything because I don't know if it's gonna fit or anything, and I don't want to buy something and then it not fit. But when I found these at our antique shop, oh, I fell in love with it. Logan was with me, and I was like, "What do you think?" And he was like, "Yeah, Mom, okay." But anyways, I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to get my glasses subscription into those. I just need to go and get a new subscription soon, so then I can start wearing those. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I have to finish up the flooring. I want to do it quickly because I want to go to pick up Logan at the bus stop today, to surprise him at the bus stop. So I want to hurry up and do the flooring. I still got to do underneath my bed. I'm hoping that it's not disgusting. I hope not. Anyways, tell me what you find underneath your bed in the comments. And let's go see what I have underneath my bed. Hopefully it's nothing. Friends, here we go. Da-da-da. Let's see. Oh, not that bad. I actually just have dirt. Thank goodness. Oh, I have Birdie's ball with some hairballs with it. Yeah. The last week when I went underneath my bed, I actually found some socks that we were missing. So, not bad that all I have is a tennis ball. Okay, let's go ahead and clean out this. Okay guys, thanks Birdie. I am back at the house. I went skateboarding with Logan. He got home, so I was able to go up there to the bus stop and pick him up, and we skateboarded back home, and we did a little bit of skateboarding. So now I'm going to go finish the office area. I have my desk that I need to tidy up and clean up. So let's go ahead and let's go clean up that. Okay, my friends, I am totally done with my Tuesday and Wednesday. Very easy days. I also finished doing my daily chores, and that is just wiping down the kitchen cabinets and the sink and sweeping all the floors and taking out the trash. So I've already done those. And since I already did Wednesday's duty, tomorrow I'm just gonna pick one of the things to do that she has planned for a week one, and just maybe spend more time on that. If you guys like this type of video, please tell me in the comments below. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow. And I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day today. And I like to say "and" a lot. If you guys want me to try a cleaning schedule, let me know in the comments below. I would like to maybe try one of those for a week or two and see how that prepares to all these other ones that I'm going to end up doing. So if you guys like this, please let me know in the comments. And this cleaning schedule so far, I've been doing it for like 2 weeks now, and it's super easy. It actually helps keep my house clean, and I have so much time to do whatever I want. So I'm just taking it easy on cleaning, and I'm enjoying this one. So I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Again, bye.